Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about your financial future? A Roth IRA can be a fantastic way to save, allowing your investments to grow completely tax-free once you retire. Many people consider Chase for their Roth IRA because of its strong reputation and wide range of services. It's a straightforward path to building wealth for your retirement years, offering a clear advantage for long-term financial planning. Before you open a Roth IRA, it's important to check if you meet the eligibility requirements. There are specific income limits, which change each year, so always confirm the current figures. You also need to have earned income, like wages from a job or self-employment. While there's no age limit for *owning *1, contribution rules apply. Ensure these details align with your personal financial situation before moving forward. Ready to open your account? You'll need a few things prepared beforehand. Make sure you have your personal identification documents handy, like a driver's license or state ID. Your social security number or tax ID is also essential for this process. Finally, have your bank account and routing numbers ready. These will be used to fund your new Roth IRA, making the initial transfer smooth and easy. Opening your Roth IRA with Chase is a straightforward process. You can complete the application online from the comfort of your home, which is generally the quickest way to get started. Alternatively, if you prefer a personal touch or have specific questions, you can always visit a Chase branch. A financial advisor there can guide you through each step. Either way, Chase makes it accessible to begin your investment journey. Once your Roth IRA is open, it's time to fund it. You can transfer money from your linked bank account or even set up recurring automatic contributions, which is a fantastic way to stay consistent with your savings goals. Remember to regularly review your investments and adjust them as your financial situation or retirement goals evolve. This helps ensure your Roth IRA continues to work effectively for your future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.